Hi there, this is Jerry Coates, a tech host at Rigetti High School. This video is to show you how to use Flippity. Flippity has brought about some interest since Miss Leslie Fisher shared it with us. So I'm here on the Flippity website. It's a pretty cool tool. It can do all kinds of things. You do need to be aware that most of the things on Flippity do use Google Spreadsheets. So if you are a Google user, Google Docs, Google Drive, or if you even have a Gmail account, you can use these tools. So there's lots of options here: flashcards, timelines, word search, bingo, matching game. There's a lot of options. These all use a spreadsheet. There's also a section down here to skip a spreadsheet. I'm going to start here, skip the spreadsheet, and we have all of these options. The name picker, word search, many of these are meant for you to create something and then you can print it out. So I'm going to start with the random name picker because it seems to be the most of interest to our teachers. I have a list of first names and I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to hit random name picker. So you can see here it creates a wheel. I can just hit the button and it will give me a new person randomly. We can also have it just pop a name. Show a lineup because students may need to know who's coming up next. You can do groups or you can do teams. So all this requires is that you copy and paste. Okay, so just remember you have all of these options. It can come in and do the word scramble, these, and then you can print them out and use these as worksheets if you so are interested. Thank you.